If you're a fan of camping, you're probably a fan of outdoor games like ladder toss, cornhole bags, and bocce ball. What better way is there than to enjoy your family, friends, and the outdoors than tossing a few bean bags or throwing a football around? Since Ketelsen RV is all about getting the most out of your camping experience, let's look at an awesome game that you probably haven't heard of, but you want to try the next time you're at the campground. Fricket. All you need is 4 rods or sticks, 4 cups, and a frisbee. The game is for 2 to 4 players, and setup is quick. Simply place 1 set of rods into the ground about a frisbee and a fist apart from each other. Then place a cup on top of each rod. Do the same 15 feet away, though distance can be adjusted according to ability. Once set up, the object of the game is to use the frisbee to score points by either throwing the frisbee through the post, that will earn you 2 points, hitting a cup off one post, that's 1 point, or hitting both cups off both posts, that will get you 5 points. You can also score a point on defense by catching one of the falling cups, earning 1 point per cup. The winner is the first to 15 points, but you must win by 2. It's a fun, easy game to play in a relatively small area for all ages, and it's perfect for camping. If you have any questions or need ideas for your next camping adventure, just give us a call. For more ideas and camping tips, visit the Video Corral on our website.